This video illustrates how to perform a wet kit installation on a metal Wilden Original or Advanced AODD pump. First, completely disassemble the pump so that you can replace all diaphragms, ball seats, gaskets, and O-rings if required. Be sure to follow all precautions in the pump's EOM or manual. First, install the inner piston, diaphragm, and outer piston into the shaft. Spin on the outer piston and torque to specifications in the pump's EOM. Apply grease to the shaft. Insert the diaphragm assembly and turn the pump over. Invert the second diaphragm. Install the inner piston and the inverted diaphragm on the shaft. Then spin on the outer piston and torque to the specifications per the pump's EOM. Turn the pump over and place the liquid chamber over the non-inverted diaphragm. Clamp or bolt it onto the section and torque to specifications. Turn the pump back over. Lift up the diaphragm and insert a pry bar under each side of the inner piston. In a single motion, use the bars to pry up the inner piston. Uninvert the diaphragm. Place the liquid chamber over it and clamp or bolt it onto the center section. Torque to specifications. Turn the pump so the liquid inlet faces up and insert the ball valves. Install the valve seats into the inlet manifold with the raised area facing down and firmly press them into place. Place the inlet manifold onto the pump. Orient it correctly for your pump model. Clamp or bolt it and torque to specifications. Turn the pump over so the liquid discharge is facing up. Install the valve seats into the pump with the raised area facing down and firmly press them into place. With the balls on the valve seats, install the discharge manifold. Orient it correctly for your pump model. Clamp or bolt it and torque to specifications. This completes the reassembly. Thank you for using Wilden pumps.